Scott Holbrook, Director of Sales, Secure Tool Company, here on a windy rooftop. So, last video we showed you we created our own enclosure. We have finished that. Here you can see the bottom. We got two larger holes for the cords, some extra smaller holes in order to regulate some temperature. Got an Ethernet cable. We have our PoE splitter. What that's doing is it's bringing the power through the Ethernet cable, splitting it in this box, so we're getting both power as well as the internet to our Bobcat miner. Here is the antenna that we're using. This is an 8 dBi. On the bottom of the antenna, you see we do have our lightning arrestor. This is, you know, in case the worst possibly happens, clears out static, clears out, lightning. Basically inside of here there is a mechanism that disconnects if the electricity gets to be too great. That way we save the hardware. There's no damage that comes to that. This right here is just going to be our ground wire. We're actually going to connect that to the pole. You can see everything fits pretty nicely. This is just a Tupperware box. You don't have to get expensive with this. And because it's Tupperware, it is going to be waterproof. As you can see, it fits on very, very snug. Everything fits inside. And this is what we're going to mount to our pole. So we'll be back with you here as soon as we get that up and running to show you what that looks like.